bit about the math. So the math section is 60 minutes, 60 questions, and it's in order of easiest, easy to hard. Okay.
I definitely noticed that because like the first part I got like all of them right. And then it was like
Yeah.
slowly went downhill.
You're like, this is easy. Come on. So I always like to say the first 1 to 20. That's I call it chump change. All right. So
Hmm.
basically, for 1 to 20, you should be able to get 19 out of 20 or 20 out of 20 correct as long as you know the basic material. And
Okay.
then once you get to 20 to 40, it starts to be a little bit more complicated. And then from
Okay.
40 to 50, more complicated even still. And then after 50 to 60, these are all almost two-part problems.
Hmm.
And so, ever heard of the word triage?
I have not.
Triage is like in a hospital, whenever you have somebody who needs more attention than somebody else. Like, so let's say somebody has their head cut open and somebody's got like a fingernail that broke. Who are you going
Yeah.
to treat first?
That's
Probably
the
the
first
head,
question.
right?
Yeah.
Same thing with this test. All points are the same. You know, you don't
Hmm.
get like all point is worth one. Every point is worth one. Every question is worth one. And so, why bother spending 5 minutes on the questions 50 to 60 when you could just spend, more time on the easier
Hmm.
one? And so, what you should do then is spend your time going through the test in a couple passes. First one, do the easiest and then finish the whole test. Next one, go back for the hard ones and do this. And like mark the hard ones and
Hmm.
don't even attempt them. And the second time, go back and do the hard ones. Sound
Okay.
good?
Yeah.
Next, also, you're going to want to download programs. What calculator do you have?
I'm not sure. I could go grab it if you want me to.
Yeah, yeah. Is it a TI-84 or something?
Yes, I think it is. Yeah.
Great. Then the programs that I have are going to work for you. So you plug these into your calculator, and what you're going to want to do is on my ACT prep course on Udemy, I'm going to give you access to that. You will be able to access these programs, so you'll be able to download them. So what you'll do is if you go over here, if you go actually, I'll send you a link afterwards. And in this Udemy course, you go to the calculator module and you watch the video of me explaining how to put the programs onto the calculator.
Okay.
And then you'll have them all on your calculator, and it'll look like this. You turn your calculator on, you press program, and then you'll see a big list of just a bunch of items. And
Okay.
then you can actually just go down and you can click one, and these will automate the processes. It'll just like ask you, hey, type in A, B, and C, and it'll output, different things about the triangle. So this just makes it so it's super easy to meet and quick to use program. Next, what we're going to do too is there are a lot of these test prep books. So as we go next time, we're going to go in depth into the sections. I want you to read from this book called Pandas, The College Pandas. So I have it here, The College Pandas Advanced Guide. You are going to look at this and kind of use this to supplement some of your math stuff. All right, so if you don't know how to use absolute values, then you'll learn how to do it, and then you'll improve. The math section is a lot harder than the English in that I can't just teach you stuff and then your score instantly jumps. You have to like
Right.
put in some work and like actually learn the concepts. So this one, I'm going to be more like assigning homework and like tailoring it to you specifically, than like just telling you straight up, what to do better.